Here we are at Castlebrook, and we are getting ready to make cupcakes to celebrate Grandma's birthday.
Happy birthday, Grandma! Hi, Mommy.
What did you pick? Good morning. It's Monday morning. It's Memorial Day. We are down at Castlebrook Camp, Pennsylvania. Been here since Friday evening. It's been a wonderful weekend and an exhausting weekend. But it's always so incredible when we're able to make it down here. It is, 5:45 in the morning right now. I'm taking Rusty on a walk. Morning walk. We're headed down the path to the road. Our morning walk. Maddie woke up about 5:30 this morning, so Brad's in camp with her. And I got walk duty this morning. So, yeah, it's been an amazing weekend. And we had an amazing time with them. I mean, that's 95% of why we come down here on Memorial Day weekend. They haven't seen Maddie since October, so it's been a really long time, and she's 6 months older, and it's wonderful to see her open up to them and then be able to interact with her and just really enjoy each other. We don't get to see them very often, so that was really, really nice to see. She ran down the driveway to them this year to greet them at the truck, so that was really, really cool. Yeah, but we've had a wonderful weekend here. Lots of trail rides, got the trails cleared up, got the paths mowed down, got camp mowed. The mower wouldn't start, so Brad had to use the push mower and the brush hog to get around camp. Trails are cleaned up. Had to take care of some bigger trees across the trail. Maddie helped with that this year. She said, "I'm so strong. Picked up the biggest stick ever," she says. So it's beautiful. Yeah, but Memorial Day, here we are again. One of our favorite spots. Favorite spots on earth. Here.
Good morning. It's our last day here at camp down in Castlebrook in Pennsylvania. We do a lot of caretaking around here. We work on making sure that the property is in good condition and working on the camp. And then we enjoy our time here out in the beautiful woods. It is absolutely gorgeous here. Lots of trees, and there's a stream and hills and fields. We call it the jitney. It's a little side by side. We take it on all the trails. Our daughter absolutely loves it. And then our dog, Mr. Rusty, right there. Yeah, there, buddy. Mr. Rusty absolutely loves just running around the trails. So we have a lot of fun here. It's been absolutely fantastic. We've gotten to see my parents a bunch. We've got to relax and enjoy the woods. Can't really ask for anything better. So sad to see us have to go home, but we'll be back again very soon. So love it.